Looking for a new addition to your home decor? Check out this beautiful religious picture frame, now available for sale. Roman Giftware Inc. Memorial Collection. Cross-shaped rustic wooden double sides display 5x7 photo frame for tabletop. Nobility Radha Krishna framed painting UV textured design religious wall art. Godfather engraved natural wood picture frame. Giftware by Roman Inc. Sacraments, First Communion. Italian lithograph Sacred Hearts Bless Our Home print in antique gold tone frame with glass. This child matted wooden distressed picture frame. Jesus framed wall art painting, Christian art wall decor. Joseph Studio by Roman, First Communion picture frame. To purchase, just click the link in the description. Additionally, follow, subscribe, and comment below.